welcome back on my YouTube channel. And yes, you're hearing right, I am talking in my video. This video is all about new stuff. Aside from talking in my video, I also want to use tools on this project I'm not used to. In particular, I want to use my modeling tool to create this realistic image of a raven. So, as you can see, I'm tracing some outlines to make the modeling process easier. That's kind of boring, as you see, because I'm just tracing here outlines, so let's make a jump and see what comes next. And you can see, okay, you can see very much. But I swear to you, these small lines will help me. Okay, now that I have my traces, it's time to do some modeling. Also, I am making a time lapse of me modeling because, well, this is not a tutorial. But if you want me to show the whole process in real time, maybe in another video, please tell me so in the comments. And yes, I will try to do this. Maybe on this project, maybe in the future, we will see. I will leave it like that. And I will try to create some contrast. I use my swivel knife for contouring the outline of the raven and some details. So, in this video I will not show you how I made the cover of this book. I already have some videos where I show you this. Sorry, you have to accept this, I haven't filmed it. Maybe I will film it again in the future and then we can talk about the different ways to do this. I also use a swivel knife here to trace the back of the book. I'm using my background beveler so the raven head pops up a little more in contrast to the rest of the cover. Here I misuse my seam countersink to trace the back of the book. I know there are special tools for this, but I don't have them, so I just use what I have. In my next step, yes, I say step, 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 I know, I need to bend the cover. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to ease the bending and we are done. Next step are painting and gluing the cover and the book core. So I just will show you a time lapse and some steps because this I have done before and yes, it's not that complicated. I use contact glue, so you place the glue, you let it dry, you press it on. That's it. And voila! I'm finished! Yay! I love the raven. I think it has come out amazing. I'm so good! Yes, I need to praise myself a little bit. Thank you for watching. So if you liked that video, please subscribe and leave me a like. And tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And until then, I say goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye bye!